In today's video, I'll show you how to create a clean opening where the screen transitions in a way that feels similar to switching a phone into airplane mode. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best when it introduces the video smoothly and immediately. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Airplane Mode 2, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the screen transitions with a phone-style motion that feels clean, modern, and tech-inspired. To adjust how fast this transition happens, use the duration slider at the bottom. A shorter duration makes the effect quick and snappy. A longer duration makes it feel smoother and more deliberate. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it fits the pacing of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added an airplane mode style screen effect in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.